Two heavyweight AI writing platforms, Jasper AI and Writesonic. One question, which one really delivers? On the left, Jasper AI. Co-create with AI for custom content. On the right, Writesonic. Effortless SEO content creation at your fingertips. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, before we go any further, let's check out the game plan. Here's what we're comparing: pricing, ease of use, performance and quality, SEO tools, and flexibility. So, if you're stressing over cost or craving control, or maybe just want to punch out SEO-friendly articles, we've got you covered. You ready? Let's jump in. First, let's talk about money. Pricing. So, Jasper AI. Look, it's got those high-end features, but you're definitely paying for it. No free plan, and the startup cost is, well, let's just say it's not a bargain. On the other hand, Writesonic comes in swinging with a generous free plan, and it's actually more affordable for most folks. Sure, you lose some of those fancier options, but for the price, it's a steal. Honestly, Writesonic takes the crown here if your wallet is a bit sensitive. Now, ease of use. Jasper AI is super flexible, which is awesome if you know what you're doing, but even I'll admit, it's got a bit of a learning curve. You'll spend time clicking around, trying things out. Writesonic, though, it's like, bam, beginner-friendly right out of the gate. The guided workflow makes everything feel way less intimidating. But if you're a power user looking to stretch your wings, it's not as customizable. Either way, Writesonic definitely makes things easier for the average person. All right, let's get into the juicy stuff. Performance and quality. Jasper AI gives you that high-quality, customizable content you'd expect, especially if you give it solid inputs. Sometimes, though, you gotta babysit it. If your prompts aren't good, the results can get a little weird. Writesonic sort of streamlines things for SEO-focused articles, and it's super consistent. But sometimes it feels like it's just checking boxes, and the output can get a bit formulaic. So for this one, I gotta say, it's basically a tie. Both are solid, but in their own ways. Quick pause! Did you know? Jasper AI and Writesonic both use advanced AI models. Yep, we're talking OpenAI stuff for their content generation. Whatever tool you pick, you're tapping into some seriously smart tech. Moving right along to SEO tools, which, honestly, if you care about making Google happy, is kind of a big deal. Jasper AI plays nice with Surfer SEO, but hold up, you'll need to snag an extra subscription for that. So if you're watching your budget, it's not ideal. Now, Writesonic comes with its own built-in SEO suite. You get keyword research right inside, no extra payments, but it's not as open to outside integrations. For the average user looking to amp up SEO without extra steps, Writesonic definitely wins this round. Last up is flexibility. Oh, and here's where Jasper AI really shows off. If you're someone who likes to tweak, rework, and get creative, Jasper AI's your playground. Tons of creative control and customization, though, yeah, it might take a little more elbow grease. Writesonic, meanwhile, is super structured. Great for quick, repeat results, but not amazing if you want something really unique. So if you want that creative freedom, Jasper AI is the clear winner in flexibility. Okay, so let's take a step back and look at the big picture. Across all these categories, you can kind of see the strengths and quirks side by side. Writesonic is all about affordability and ease, plus killer built-in SEO tools. Jasper AI, it's the go-to for creative types who want flexibility and more control, even if there's a steeper learning curve. If you want creative control and to really make your content your own, Jasper AI is awesome for that. On the other hand, if you're aiming to pump out SEO-friendly articles fast, Writesonic just makes everything easier. Basically, it depends on whether you want customization or you just want quick results. So, if you're looking for a tool to level up your content game, honestly, it comes down to what you actually need. Do you want deep creative control, or do you need speed and streamlined SEO? Go with Jasper AI or Writesonic, whichever fits. Let me know which one you're thinking of trying.